everybody, I hope you're all doing well and having a good Tuesday. So today we're going to be moving on to doing some of the leaves on this section of the stem. And the first one is the top leaf. We're going to work from the top down, and we're going to be doing this one in long and short stitch, much like the ones we did earlier on in the kit a few weeks ago. So this is where we're going to be starting today. So I'm going to come up here, down, hold, and twist. Come down. Pinch, split and flip. Just because we've got a curve, I don't want to take the stitch too far. So we finished the outline and we're going to come in with this darker green, which you'll notice is the same green as we've done on this part of the stem. So in theory, we should be able to get it to match up. So I'm just going to get this right. So I've had a few messages from people asking what kits I'm looking forward to stitching next. And I'm really looking forward to doing the Wee Three Kings to get into the festive spirit as Christmas is quickly coming around, if we dare say the C word yet. But I'm really looking forward to doing that because it's all in one colour, which would be quite nice, and it'd be nice to see how my stitching's improved and can really focus on the stitches. So I really like that kit as well, so I'm looking forward to stitching that one. I'm also looking forward to getting to do some of the Aesop's Fables, which are coming out soon. I've seen the original piece which it's based off, and I've had a little look at what Philippa has been stitching, and really excited for that one too. So if you're subscribed to the newsletter, you'll be hearing lots more about that soon, I imagine. So I'm just going to put my seeding stitches in, and then I think we're going to work from the tip down, because that would work, yeah, that would fit in with when we do the stems, and Philippa always says work down. Making sure I'm coming up at the back, pinch, split and flip. I keep reminding myself to do that. Down, pinch, split and flip. Pinch, split and flip. Pinched it with the wrong finger there. Let's see if we can get it to match up now. Come down here. Oh, lost my thread. The crucial last moment. So, come down here. space for the one last one in there. Then that, I'll just put one last little stitch in there, and look how it all meets up really nicely. So I'll just bring the thread back up to the top, chop that off like that, and then that's the first leaf on that section done. And on Thursday we'll move on to doing these two leaves in long and short stitch, and then that's the first section of this part done. So I'll see you then.